Hello learners. Welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy, your guide to mastering ERP with clarity and confidence. In our previous video, we got an overview of the Weighbridge Management module and understood how it helps organizations accurately capture and manage vehicle weighment details. Today, we'll explore the first process of this module, Weighbridge Entry Management. This is one of the most important processes because it records the weight of incoming, outgoing, and internal material movements, ensuring accurate inventory, purchasing, sales, and logistics transactions. Section 1. What is Weighbridge entry? Whenever a vehicle enters or exits an organization's premises carrying materials, its weight needs to be captured accurately. This information is then linked with business documents such as gate entry, purchase orders, sales orders, goods receipt notes, or delivery documents. Lighthouse ERP provides different methods for recording these weighment details depending on the organization's operational requirements. This is the online entry listing screen. Here, users can view all existing Weighbridge transactions along with their current status. The listing also provides options to search existing records, monitor pending weighments, and create new Weighbridge entries whenever a vehicle arrives for weighing. Section 2. Online Weighbridge entry. Online entry is used when the Weighbridge machine is directly integrated with Lighthouse ERP. Instead of entering the vehicle weight manually, the system captures the weight directly from the electronic Weighbridge, reducing manual effort and improving accuracy. It also supports first and second weighments and can calculate the net weight automatically. When creating a new online entry, users record important transaction details such as vehicle information, gate entry details, vendor or customer, order details, division, weighment type. One of the key features of online entry is the capture weight option, which directly reads the weight from the connected Weighbridge machine. The screen also allows image capture and document attachment, making the process more reliable and traceable. As users continue the transaction, item details, quantity information, weighment values, and additional remarks can be recorded. This helps maintain complete weighment information for every material movement while ensuring proper linkage with related business transactions. If any transaction requires modification before completion, users can edit the entry through the update screen. This allows corrections or additional information to be recorded while maintaining transaction accuracy. Section 3. Offline Weighbridge entry. Not every organization has a direct connection between the Weighbridge machine and the ERP system. In such situations, Lighthouse ERP provides the offline entry process, where the operator can manually record the vehicle's weighment details. The operator enters details such as the vehicle information, first and second weighments, transporter details, and other transaction information. The system then uses these weighment details to determine the net weight of the material. This ensures that even when the Weighbridge is not directly connected to the ERP, the complete weighing transaction can still be recorded and managed in the system. Similar to online entry, the offline listing screen displays all recorded Weighbridge transactions. Users can search, review, and create new offline weighment records from this screen. While creating an offline entry, users manually enter vehicle details, gate entry information, order details, vendor or customer, first and second weight, item information. This option is useful when automatic weight capture is not available or when manual recording is required. The update screen allows users to review existing transactions and modify information whenever necessary before the weighment process is finalized. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. What is Weighbridge entry management? Difference between online and offline entry. How online entry captures weight directly from the weighing machine. How offline entry supports manual weighment recording. Together, these processes help organizations record accurate payment information and integrate it seamlessly with purchasing, inventory, sales, and logistics activities. If this video helped you understand Weighbridge Entry Management, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Have any questions? Share them in the comments, we'd love to help. In our upcoming video, we'll explore Weighbridge Split Management and understand how Lighthouse ERP manages payment when multiple materials or items are involved in a single vehicle transaction. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and let Lighthouse ERP be your partner in business excellence.